going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Right here is a 2017 Ford Explorer 2017. Show you guys how to take off the trim panel, the mirror, and the handle. First thing we're gonna do, take off the trim panel. We're gonna fold this piece back. Use a flathead screwdriver, guys. We'll take this piece out. That's what it looks like. Take that piece out. Hold this back. Take the piece out. Use the flathead screwdriver. Just like that. You're gonna pry it open. Just like that. See? It comes right out. Go ahead and take it out. Take it out. The reason why we take it out, there's a screw right there. That screw is a number 10. There's a next one right there, guys. So it's two of them. All right. Take that screw out. That's one. Take that screw out. It's two of them. Okay? And then, guys, down here, guys, same thing. It's two screws. Those are number same. 7. So it looks like it's two of them. Two number 7. Then you're gonna take a flathead. Just like that. Then you're gonna pry it open. Take it out. You got space. Put it on your hand. Pry it off. That one was hard, but get it off. All right, take that piece off. Okay, cool. Now, good. Okay, now you're gonna go up with it now. Hold on. Get the clip puller. Right over. See that? Go up with it. Comes off. Unplug the wires. Okay. There you go. Unplug the wires, guys. Plug the wires. That's how you take off the trim panel. Now we're gonna take off the mirror. It's 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. But first thing first, unplug it first. See that? Unplug. Now go ahead and take the three screws out of there. Those are number 10s. Take your number 10. Put it on there. 1, 2. Last one is right there. You're gonna hold it. Comes right off. That's how you do that, guys. Now we're gonna get off the door handle. You guys see that plug right there? Take the plug out of there. All right, guys. This is a T25. You're gonna put it inside there and turn it to the left. You're gonna see the screw. It's a shiny screw. Do not take it out all the way, halfway. All right, now, once you guys feel it like it's loose, stop. And you're gonna use the flathead. You're gonna pull the handle open, you're gonna put it right between the grooves, guys. Comes right out. That's it, comes out. Now, you want to screw the screw back in some, just some. Put it back in just a little bit. Give it like 3 turns. Then you're gonna grab the handle and pull it forward that way. It comes out. Unplug it. That's how you do that, guys. 1, 2, 3. All right. That's it, guys. Please, guys, don't forget to support the channel. With that said, I will see you guys on the next video. It's pretty simple.